Here in this video, we will learn about fractions. There are three topics: basics of fraction, fractions to decimals, decimals to fractions. First is proper fractions. It is less than one whole. Here the example. It is one full circle. It is divided by in 8 parts. 7 parts are colored. So we can write like 7 divided by 8 or 7/8. Second is improper fractions. It is more than one whole. Example: there are two rectangles. One rectangle is divided by in 6 parts. All 6 parts are colored. Second rectangle divided by in 6 parts. 5 parts are colored. So there are total 12 parts. 11 parts are colored. One full rectangle has 6 parts. So example is 11 divided by 6. 6 part is one full rectangle. So 11 parts are colored. So 11 divided by 6. We also can say 11/6. Next is mixed fractions. It is same example as above, 11/6. This fraction is equal to 1 and 5 divided by 6. Here 1 is the whole number, that means this is the one full rectangle, and 5 divided by 6 is the second. Here 5 parts are the colored, so final value is 1 and 5 divided by 6. Now we will see conversion from mixed fraction to improper fraction. Example: 1 and 5 divided by 6. So this is the mixed fraction. Now we will convert to the improper fraction. To convert improper fractions, we need to multiply whole number to denominator. Here 1 is whole number and 6 is denominator. So 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. And whatever the value we get, we will add to the numerator. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11 over denominator. So 11 divided by 6. So result of this on top of the denominator, 11/6. So now next example, -2 and 1 divided by 6. So as we know, 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. So final value is 13/6. So here denominator will remain the same. So here value is negative. So final value is also negative. Now fractions to decimals. Example 3 divided by 4. We will convert denominator into 10 multiplication. It is not always possible, so we need to do more practice. We need to see the possibilities. Here we can multiply 4 to the 25. The final result will be 100. So we multiply this full value to 25 divided by 25. So numerator will be 75. That means 25 multiplied by 3. And denominator will be the 100. So final value 0.75. So this is the same example, 3 divided by 4. So 3 divided by 4. Also we can write like this, -3 divided by -4. Here denominator and numerator both are negative. So final result will be positive. So here we know 3 divided by 4 is equal to 0.75. So 0.75. If example has the negative value, same is here, 3 divided by 4, but it is negative value like this. Then we can also write like this, -3 divided by 4 is equal to 3 divided by -4 or -3 divided by 4. All are same values. So result will be negative 0.75. Next example is 16 divided by 80. So we will try to convert this value to the 10. We will see the possibilities. Here 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. 8 multiplied by 2. Here 8 multiplied by 10 is equal to 80. So we will cancel the same factors. So final value will be 2 divided by 10, that means 0.2. Now next example, it is the same example as above. 36 divided by 60. 36 means 6 multiplied by 6, and 60 is equal to 6 multiplied by 10. So we can cancel same factors. 6 is equal to 6 divided by 10. So final value is 0.6. Next is decimal to fractions. Here example 0.75. We can multiply this value by 100 by 100. So numerator will be 0.75 multiplied by 100 is equal to 75, and denominator will be 100. We can convert 75 to 25 multiplied by 3 and 100 to 25 multiplied by 4. So we will cancel the same factors 25 25. Final result will be 3 divided by 4. Next example is same as above. 0.15. We can write 15 divided by 100. 15 means 5 multiplied by 3. 100 means 5 multiplied by 20. So we will cancel the same factors. So final value will be 3 divided by 20. Next example, negative 0.6. So we can multiply this value to 10 divided by 10. So 0.6 multiplied by 10 is equal to 6, and now denominator will be 10. So here 2 multiplied by 3 and 2 multiplied by 5. So we can cancel common factors. So final value will be 3 divided by 5. Here we can see example is negative. So this all value will be the negative. So final result is also negative. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.